What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check and fill the front differential in this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. You want to raise and support the vehicle, make sure it is level. All right, the front differential is right here. Now the fill plug is right there to check the fluid. So for this vehicle, I'm actually going to pull this cover down because it's going to be easier to see. Although you could just check it there, but you're probably going to have fluid drip into the cover and then it's going to be a mess. So I'm going to pull this cover first. To take this cover down, we need to take 6 bolts out. There's 2 in the back here, 2 right here, and then 2 in the front. I'm going to use a 15mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Now there is some smaller bolts in here, just leave those in. Those don't have to come out to take the cover down. As I take this last one out, I'm gonna try to support this with my arm. All right, grab that, pull this cover down. Front differential is right here. The fill plug is right there. So I'm gonna pull that fill plug out. I'm gonna use a 18mm socket and a breaker bar. If you have to, you can rotate the wheel a little bit if that axle's in your way. Loosen this up. Make sure you put a drain pan underneath so to catch any fluid that comes out. Or even if you go to top it off, you want the fluid to not run on the ground. Pull that out. So we want the fluid to go up to the bottom of that fill plug. So I'm just going to use a wire tie and bend it, and then I can check it this way. Just slide that in there, put it to the base, and pull it out. Then I can check this fluid level. So this fluid is down a little bit, so I am going to have to top it off. But it's a good way to check it with this custom dipstick. We're going to top this off. Make sure you use the appropriate fluid. You can check your owner's manual to get the appropriate fluid. We're just using this gun to put the fluid back in, makes it a little easier. And we're going to add the fluid until the fluid starts draining out. Oh, there it goes. We can just stop that fluid dripping for a sec, because there's some different valleys and areas where the fluid can't get to. If I just stop it for a minute, it'll get in those areas. Then I can let it come out again. And we should know that the fluid level is at the proper level. All right, it's been a little bit. I'll just pull my hand away. So the fluid level is good. It's coming out. I can let that drain for a second. All right, at this time, the fluid level's up to par. Now I'm just gonna put the fill plug in. Now there's a seal on here, so you don't have to put any pipe sealer on this or anything. Then I'll take a 18mm socket and a ratchet, tighten this up. And just snug it up, and it's good. All right, now I'm gonna take some brake parts cleaner, just clean off the excess, and wipe it off with a rag, and you'll be good to go. Take this shield, slide it back in position. I'll take a couple of the bolts. I'm gonna start them in the middle right here first. Then I can get the other ones started. And I'll take my 15mm socket, extension, and a ratchet and tighten these down. And tighten that up, just snug that down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.